made by Jetson. Jetson did not sponsor this video. Then I would like to thank Tom from Target for this awesome Christmas gift. Alright, let's open it. Stupid. Oh, looks like the rest is just garbage. Let's open this thing. Looks like it's just folded and zip tied. Looks like it came with a ready jet though. I do not know what it is for. Adjustable handlebar. 2 wheels that light up. Oh God. Thank you for watching. Bye.